Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. In today's video, I'm going to be giving myself a haircut or a hair trim, okay? And I previously stretched my hair using African threading, and I'm just going to quickly put my hair into twists so that I can be able to walk in sections. Okay, I'll link the video on how I was able to stretch my hair using African threading at the end of this video, so if you're interested you can check it out. Anyways, I have my white tooth comb, my rattle tooth comb, my claw clip, and my scissors with me for this process. So I'm going to quickly pack my hair and separate the section I want to start off with. Okay, for 2024 I did trim my hair 2 or 3 times, but I didn't go through the stress of stretching my hair and all of the things I'm doing right now in this video. And for this new year I just feel like I should get a proper trim, okay? And I know this is not a professional trim, but it actually gets the job done, okay? I'd like to know how often you get a trim, and do you go to a salon or meet a professional to get it done, or do you just do it at home like I'm doing right now? Anyways, at this point, I was actually confused on where to cut. As you can see, my ends are a bit see-through at some point. Anyways, I just went ahead to cut um just a little bit off, okay? And as someone that gets really scissors happy, I've learned that it's better for me to like cut in smaller bits, okay, instead of taking the whole cut at once. I just do it several times. I don't know if you get what I mean. I'm actually done trimming the first section or twist, and I'll quickly put it back into a twist, and I even had to go over it one more time and get off a little bit more hair, and this is what it looks like once I was done. So I'll quickly proceed to the next section by combing it out thoroughly. For then I go in with my tangle teaser. At this point, I'm trying to see if I can match both sides. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to cut off a little bit and see how it's going to look. And this is a piece I cut off. I'm just going to comb it out and proceed to twist, okay, and just see if it's matched, even though the sections are not really even, okay. Anyways, my lights just went off, and I'm really trying to be very careful so that I do not cut off too much. So I'm just going to leave it at this point, okay, and proceed to the next section. And I'm not just trying to get a hair trim, I'm also trying to shape my hair so that whenever I wear my hair out as a fro, I kind of have this really cute diamond or heart shape. I'll attach a picture of what I mean, and you guys should compare the picture to what my final results looks like, okay, and let me know how well I did, okay. And one thing I love about getting a hair trim is that once I'm done with it, it makes combing or detangling my hair much easier, okay? Like my comb easily glides from the roots of my hair down to the ends of my hair without too much stress, okay? So if you like really struggle to comb out your hair and your hair tangles a lot, then maybe you need to get a hair trim, okay. Once I'm done trimming a section and put it back into a twist, I just notice the difference instantly on how my ends feel. Like, take a good look at this section, the one I'm twisting right now, and then compare it to this other one that I haven't trimmed, okay. You can actually see the difference in how the ends of my hair look and feel. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm only combing my hair using the white tooth comb, and I'm not going over with the octopus brush and the rattle tooth comb. And the white tooth comb alone just seems to work fine. Okay, I just feel like the octopus and the rattle tooth comb was just me doing so much. This entire process of trimming my hair took me 3 hours and 15 minutes to get this whole thing done. And it was honestly worth the time. I mean, the way my hair felt afterwards was really good. So it was definitely worth the time I invested. I actually saw a lot of videos on how to cut my hair and get the whole afro shape thing going on. But at this point, I feel like I was just going with the flow. I wasn't really paying attention to the things they said I was supposed to do. I was just honestly going with the flow. I'm finally done with trimming my entire hair, and I'm just going to quickly take down the twist and also separate my hair properly and also comb it out so you guys can see what it looks like. But you guys, I just love the volume and bounce I have going on right now. I really love the way my hair looks and feels right now. I really love to know your thoughts on how my hair looks right now. Do you think the trim made a difference in the way my hair looks? And was I able to achieve the heart shape thing I wanted? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. I really would love to know because honestly, I don't think I got the heart shape thing going on. My hair, I even feel like I made the whole thing more uneven. I don't know. I just don't know. Just let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure you're subscribed if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.